Hello, everybody, and welcome to the continuation of Nature Segment 6. Thank you for joining me here. I moved a little closer to the river so you guys can get a better view. There we go. Got my water with me. I got a drink out here. There's absolutely beautiful weather out here. It was really hot earlier today, and now it's cooled down, so I decided to head down closer to the Grand River to give you guys a better view. Got everything in the blonde emission bag. There's my water. So you got my Turtle Beach headphones in there. I got my speaker in there. I got another bottle of water in there as well. But yes, everybody, welcome. The spot isn't too far. It's a nice quiet spot. Very open. There's a bike trail right there. House is way over there. See that? There's the dike right there. It stopped flooding in that area. And then it goes down on the other side of the big hill. And the trail goes all the way along here. Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful spot, a nice, beautiful area, nice and quiet. But yes, everybody, this view is absolutely amazing. This is very relaxing to be out here. Just very peaceful to come sit here and meditate, or just to come sit here and relax. I got my cane here. As you can see, I'm sitting on the ground here, and there's the edge there. It's a smaller edge, and the river's right there. So I could go down there, but I'd have trouble getting up as I do walk with a cane. But yes, everybody, welcome. I apologize for the camera being a little shaky, guys, as I am sitting out here holding my phone to record this. But yes, everybody, welcome. I'll be uploading more segments like this to my YouTube channel probably twice or 3 times a week, depending on how busy I am. As you guys know, I'm running a campaign right now for the Good Heart charity organization. And I'm helping with charity support for an orphanage in Uganda. Please check that out as well. There's a video on my YouTube, guys. Check it out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch TV. I am Shaolin. Now, there's no cozy fire this time, and there's no teepee around me this time. Just solidarity and peace. Just surrounded by nature's humble sights. Now, the reason I didn't show you the side before was because there was a gentleman there and I didn't want to film him, as some people don't like being filmed. Respect privacy. So I'm just out here, out in the trail, relaxing my mind and taking some time to enjoy this beautiful sight we have. Enjoy the view, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. If I wanted to, while I'm filming, I can even zoom in. Give me a second, guys. There we go. That's about as far in as I can zoom with my camera. Look at that beautiful view, guys. Don't forget to smash the notification bell for more segments just like this. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you next time here on Nature Segment on the Shaolin channel.